Hey bunnies, welcome back to another Naked Sunday. For today's Naked Sunday video, we're going to be talking about dating. Now before we start, go ahead and grab yourself a drink. What I am drinking is vodka, of course, with Sprite and Welch's passion fruit cherry. I think that's what it is. It's really refreshing, really yummy, especially for the summertime. 3 ice cubes, you're good to go. Make sure you stir it up though, because I took the first sip without a straw and that shit was so strong. So get your drink and let's get into it. So me and 3 of my girlfriends were in this little group chat, right? And the other day we're talking about dating. I'm married, clearly. My other girlfriend, she's in a newish relationship. And then my other 2 no, I think there's only one single girlfriend in a group. Yeah. Anyways, so we're talking about dating, and how the topic was brought up was that how is it rude for a girl to order something expensive off of the menu, or something along those lines. All right. And I was like, when you're taking someone else on a date, there are no restrictions. I'm gonna order whatever I want to eat. If I'm hungry, I'm gonna eat. Okay, apparently this girl ordered like something like lobster or whatever, and my friend wanted to know if it was rude for her to order lobster. For me, in my opinion, no, it's not rude. If he's the one who's choosing the place, right? Or whoever's taking you out is the one choosing the place. They know how expensive that place gets, so they should have in their mind already how much they should expect to spend. If you know you only have beer and hot dog money, take her out for a beer and a hot dog. You can make it real nice for the little money that you have. Okay, not every girl needs or wants a 5-course meal dinner with violins and grand pianos and all that stuff. What I would say is feel the energy of the person you're trying to take out. Feel the vibe that's between both of you. Maybe a simple movie date is enough. Maybe dinner and a movie is enough. Maybe a movie in the park. Maybe a nice little picnic. Maybe something on the beach. Maybe you cook for her. How about that? Instead of inviting her over to your place, you can go over to her place and you can cook for her. Inviting yourself over to her place, it kind of gives her a more, it makes her feel more comfortable. It doesn't give the impression that you're just trying to sleep with her. Even if that is the case, it relaxes her a little bit more. She's in her element, she's in her environment. So even if it does lead to something more, whether it's kissing, heavy petting, sex, whatever, it's more so on her terms than on yours, if that makes any sense. When it comes to taking someone else on a date, you have to be mindful of where you're taking that person. You have to know how much you can afford, because you cannot take someone out and then say to them, oh, you can't order that, or I only have $50 so we can't get whatever. No. If you're taking me somewhere, I'm expecting the whole 9 yards. Okay? Everything. If you take me here, if you take me to a 5-star restaurant that has 5-course meals, I'm gonna expect that you expect that I want a 5-course meal, and then I might just order 5 courses of meals. One of the questions that I always get is, should you have sex on the first date? This is a personal choice. I have nothing against it. I don't think it makes or breaks the relationship. It depends on your personal mindset. That is my mindset. Yours could be different. Yours could be that, oh, if she let me hit so early, that means she's not wife material, or whatever the case is. Or he tries to hit so early, that means he doesn't see me any type of way. And that may be the case. It may also may not be the case. There are some people who just, if there is that genuine energetic feeling, energetic attraction between the two of you, why not? Once you're being safe, once you both consent, why not? It doesn't have to be the whole bells and whistles and dildos and butt plugs and handcuffs and sex toys and all that stuff. It doesn't have to be all that. It could just be a nice little thing to end the night. A nice little happy ending. It doesn't have to be too much. and then you see where it goes from there. There's nothing wrong with that. There's also nothing wrong with just saying no. There's nothing wrong with wearing your holy granny pantsy just to avoid situations like that happening. But if this is something that you want to do, why not do it? Why are you listening to all these people telling you how to live your life? Just live. Just live. Enjoy every moment of everything and just live. If there is a genuine connection between the two of you, take it even further if you want to. Who knows? That could be a future husband or a future wife or a future baby daddy, if you've been mother. Who knows? Take it where he wants it to go. That's my 2 cents on sex on the first date. Lots of girls like to either cake up their face all the way for a first date, and lots of girls like to keep it as natural as possible on a first date. I say do what makes you happy. Me personally, I prefer to keep a more neutral face. I don't go all the way beat if I'm going on a date, whether it's a first date or a date with my husband or just, you know, out with girlfriends, whatever the case. No, if I'm out with girlfriends, I'm gonna be beat. So it depends. Like I said, it depends on the scenario. If I'm going out on just a dinner date, a movie date, whatever the case is, I'm not gonna be beat to the gods, because you want him or her to be focusing on you and not the glitter that's on your eyes or the highlight on your cheek. You know? You feel me? I don't know if that makes sense, but it makes sense to me, and that's just how I feel. I also don't think you should get wasted on the first dates. Don't over drink. We know that first dates are scary. We know that you get nervous, you get uncomfortable, or whatever the case is, but over drinking is never the option. You know how you get when you are drunk. You do not want that to be the first and the last impression you leave on this person. Okay? Have a drink. Have 2 drinks. Just make sure you know your limit and how much you can handle before you start getting slurred and messy and sloppy and your eyes start drooping. For me, I know when I hit that 4th drink, boom, night's over. It's time to go to sleep. Okay? So yeah, it depends though. It depends situation. If it's like really hype and I'm around a bunch of people, it's like then I can go on. But if it's like a real chill night and I'm just going back, I'm gonna go to sleep on you. I'm sorry. I'm going right to sleep. Are you guys drinking with me? I hope so. What to wear on your first date? Something comfortable. It depends on the location, the occasion, all that good stuff. Wear something comfortable. Even if it's sexy, still be comfortable. But yeah, for me, when it comes to first dates, to the original first thing I was saying, there's no budget. If there's where you take her, there is no budget. You should know your pocket. You should know what you can afford. If you cannot afford Red Lobster, don't take her to Red Lobster. If you cannot afford KFC, don't take her to KFC. Because I'm getting a bucket of chicken with sides and drinks. So don't do it, okay? Oh, I saw a comment the other day and this girl was like, you hide your Jamaican accent so well. I don't know why. I don't try to hide my accent. It's just whatever comes out, it comes out. Sometimes I sound like this and other times I don't. It's just whatever my brain processes, that's what comes out of my mouth, okay? Some words are heavily accented, if that makes any sense, and other words aren't. Even though an American accent is still an accent. Correct? Correct. So, just wanted to touch on that a little bit. I don't try to hide my Jamaican accent. This is just how I've always spoken and how I'm going to continue to speak. It is what it is. Certain words I'm not going to try and pronounce any other way. It just whatever my brain computes. That had nothing to do with first dates, but yeah. All right, So if you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. If you feel like I should have mentioned something that I didn't mention, go ahead, leave it in the comment section below. If you were drinking with me, comment below what you were drinking. Again, this is vodka Sprite and passion fruit cherry by Welch's, I think. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.